My name is Anil Kumar, Director Global Services, and I have alongside me my colleague Raman Srivastava, AVP Global Services. We welcome you to this short video on the topic Metric Stream Implementation Methodology. In this video, we are going to briefly discuss the different implementation methodologies employed at Metric Stream for GRC solution delivery. It's important to call out that these methodologies are not only utilized by our Metric Stream Global Services team, but also by our implementation partners.
There are three fundamental tenets based on which we came up with Metric Stream implementation methodologies. First is domain knowledge. Second is strong technical expertise of Metric Stream product platform. And the third is inclusive project management knowledge. Each methodology is structured with efficiency, quality, and scale in mind. When it comes to implementation services, highly experienced consultants of Metric Stream Professional Services Organization provides the domain knowledge, technical expertise, and the project management capabilities needed for successful implementation. Our implementation services are based on methodology and framework that provides a systematic and structured approach to deliver state-of-the-art solutions. Equipped with a comprehensive set of best practices, procedures, rules, and templates, the implementation team partners with clients to spearhead planning, development, and quality assurance, ultimately delivering successful projects and delivering high business performance. With regards to implementation approach, we focus relentlessly on time to value, facilitate consistent, repeatable, structured implementation approach. Complexity of the implementation and not the size of the client drives the project. Moving on to the details of your implementation methodology, Metric Stream offers different types of implementation methodologies to align with your GRC strategy, which ensures that implementation approaches maps to your process maturity, functional requirements, and value drivers. Fundamentally, we have 5 different types of methodologies. First one is velocity, which is use case focused, predefined, structured, and simplified. The next one is product first. This is applicable for package deployment, focused and value driven, and time boxed. The third one is product plus, which is for package and configuration. This is reliable, process driven, and result oriented. Fourth one is the edge, which is traditional waterfall approach. This is innovative, transformative, and pervasive. Last but not the least is MAP, which is Metric Stream Agile Process. It's a unique blend of waterfall and agile techniques. This leads to greater collaboration and greater adoption.
Velocity. Velocity is our use case focused methodology. This methodology is designed to leverage Metric Stream packaged application using pre-configured materials and established frameworks implemented in an agile manner. The first step in the methodology is the project kickoff and planning. After the first step, via the sprint workshops, the application will be refined for better adoption. The next step in the process is to collect power user feedback. After this step, for the identified stakeholders, there will be an application walkthrough before moving to production. This business-driven approach streamlines and automates your business process and aligns them with the industry standard practices. Project duration, when employing this methodology, will take about 6 weeks. This is intended specifically for small and mid-sized enterprises. Next slide. Product first. Product first is our package deployment methodology. This is a structured, prescriptive methodology that focuses on fixed scope of business scenarios. Customers will leverage the value of Metric Stream packaged application with no customization. With our cloud strategy, this methodology delivers standardized implementation using a repeatable blueprint approach. The first step in this methodology is customer onboarding, followed by project kickoff in the next step. Metric Stream will assess the customer readiness. We'll touch upon customer readiness details at the end of this video. In the next step, using customer information, Metric Stream will perform the application validation before making it available for customer verification. The final step is to launch by moving to production. This framework promotes higher end-user adoption, yields desired management outcomes, and ensures post-production trouble-free app maintenance. Next slide. Product Plus. Product Plus is our multi-phase implementation methodology. In the first phase, the implementation will follow product first methodology discussed in the previous slide. In the second wave, moderate customer-specific configurations and customizations will be delivered. The evolutionary multi-phased approach offered by Product Plus first delivers time to value and then enables the customer to continue the GRC journey with additional customer-specific functionality.
Metric Stream offers the traditional waterfall implementation approach as well, and we call it the edge. Utilizing a traditional waterfall approach is our most flexible and comprehensive implementation offering covering a wide-ranging scope. The edge transforms siloed process into an enterprise-wide consolidated platform. The edge methodology is easy to define and deploy a solution that is constructed specifically to meet your needs. It's a traditional software development lifecycle which starts from requirements gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, and finally user adoption. This approach is innovative, transformative, and pervasive. The last methodology which we offer is Metric Stream Agile Process. The short form we call it as MAP. The MAP methodology is cutting edge, proprietary, and marketing differentiating approach which combines elements of traditional waterfall approach with the agile technique. It employs a project design that uses iterative releases to deliver the goals and priorities of your project. It is a collaborative approach which delivers greater value to the customers. We start with the traditional waterfall approach of kickoff and landing and leads to requirement analysis and collaboration. Once we get the requirement analysis completed, we take the backlog, groom it, and do the sprint planning. In the next phases of agile technique, we do the design, development, and verification in sprints, do sprint release management, and followed it by sprint evaluation and feedback. This is a continuous loop which continues until we get a final verified product. Once we have a validated product in hand, we go back to traditional waterfall approach of training, application provisioning, and we move the code to production. This uniquely combines the waterfall approach and the agile techniques to deliver greater collaboration and greater adoption. Moving further, we get into pre-implementation accelerators. Prior to kickoff of implementation, there are a lot of activities which can be completed between Metric Stream and the customer to accelerate the project delivery. We have combined this into two different buckets. We call them as functional checklists and technical checklists. Examples of functional checklists include documenting project success factor, documenting the taxonomy, historical data, sample reports, dashboards, identifying key use cases and users, agreeing on project and program management approaches, identifying integration requirements if applicable, security requirements, and documenting information in Metric Stream configuration workbook. When it comes to technical checklist, it involves completing the architecture checklist, identifying points of contact for installation and for data modeling and data migration, identifying hardware, walking through IT toll gates, change management process, and identifying the tools which will be required to be used throughout the implementation, including the bug tracking tools. Depending on whether it's a MSI hosted or it is on-premise implementation, functional and technical checklists may vary.
Metric Stream at the beginning of the engagement shares many valuable artifacts with the customer. Welcome kits, modular questionnaire, configuration workbooks, user guides, data upload templates, and architecture checklists are some to name a few. This concludes our video. Thanks for taking the time to watch.